Good afternoon. It's Saturday evening. We were supposed to come here last night, but we didn't. But we're here now, and just, well, look at that. Lovely, lovely. We done? What are you so happy about?
Done it.
What you done?
Done it.
Done it.
Mhm.
Fixed.
It works.
There we go, look. The just tapped the new thread in. The old one didn't do too well, and
now this one works.
The thread messed itself up, and we've just put a new one in, cut it, and it was too small. Amy's just cut another thread in there, so all done, all going well. I don't look such a mess today as well. The last few videos I've looked a complete mess. Right, anyway, where are we? So basically, I've just got one last bit to do. I saved this bit till last, because, well, timings and stuff. I didn't have enough time to do it all, and I needed to strip the rest of the undersill. And now I've come into an issue that the vac is completely dead, and I didn't get it replaced. So I've got this thing, which was awful. It's 12 volt, but hopefully I'm going to make it less awful with an 18 volt battery. So hopefully it'll go off like a rocket, or it'll blow up. Either way, I'd be satisfied with the outcome. So yeah, it's a mess. This time next week, this unit will be completely empty, and we'll be sweeping the floor up, ready to leave. And currently, well, it's really not looking like we'll make it, but I know we will. We will. We always manage it, don't we? Last minute, we'll get it done. Right, anyway, I'm going to stop jabbering on, and I'm going to see if we can do something with this Hoover. So like my little setup. I've got lots of lights. This is the dark corner. It doesn't look dark at all on the screen, but believe me, this corner is the dark corner. There's no light. It's all over that side. So this is going to be a massive bodge, like everything I do. But we need to get this thing going, don't we? Because we ain't got a vac now. We've just got this awful. We have got another vac at home, but obviously it's at home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use masking tape, because that's all we got. Just put it on the negative, and then another one to the live. And there we go. We've got an 18 volt portable vacuum. Which is turbocharged. Now I'm doing this bit, I thought it'd be good to put something online about how I used it, my experiences on it. When I first found the product, I couldn't find much information online about it, and I've done a lot of digging, like searching old forums, and there's a lot of information on their website, but there's not so much information on users who've used it or some experiences. They've got some good videos on their YouTube account of how to use it, which was very helpful, and the guys themselves at Rustbusters, they're also very helpful. I use a value pack from their website, rust.co.uk, and that came with a few bits. the rust converter to dry. This is the one arch. Done. Gonna have some noodles, methinks. It's noodle time. It's about 9 PM, so we need to start being quiet. Stop! Stop! You alright? How's it going?
Good.
What are you doing?
I'm sanding it down.
What's it?
It's my big knob.
The big knob.
My big knob.
That is what Amy does. That's what you hear in the background on all my videos. Amy shaping her knobs.
Yeah.
So, where's your others? Loads of bits, loads of knobs being made at the minute. Yeah.
Can I?
Carry on. Carry on. Right, that's all black now, so we can assume that's nicely dried. Next thing to do, I'll be doing is going over it with panel wipe, and then hopefully adding some paint. That's the stripe coat done. So basically, with a round brush, you need to get to all the edges and everywhere where the gun won't really get to easily. Nice decent coat, because what happens is when the paint dries, it doesn't shrink, but it sort of comes away from the edges a little bit, so it'll be very thin on the edges, and this avoids that happening and gives you a good coat. Right then, it's time to mix up the paint. So we need to use equal amounts of part A and part B. One's the colour, one's the hardener, and then it needs 20% thinners, and then it'll come out the gun nicely. Alright. Get after me. What's happened? Overdone it. It's Sunday. It's one day until move out day. And we have about 3 hours here.
Because somebody didn't get dressed.
So, yeah, busy day. I've still somehow got to get this on its wheels, and the wheels aren't even here. Yeah, I guess we better start cracking on, I guess. And, Cool, let's go.